Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Tesla Model Y. So I've recently got a comment saying that I should do a review about the Tesla Model Y, and yes, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna talk about the Tesla Model Y, and now it is already been in Hot Wheels. Number 1 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Green Speed, and number 37 over 250. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is essentially a car from the B case, and yes, as you can see, this is the Tesla Model Y, which obviously rolled over again. So obviously this is the Tesla Model Y, and basically this is more of like a mid-tier-ish SUV, I would say. It's not fully an SUV, but well, it is kind of like one. So obviously metallic white, more of like a pearl white-ish color, which I kind of like it. So yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. First of all, I must say, in this plain white just makes a car look clean. Obviously the Tesla Model Y looks so clean in this white. So as you can see, the white the side is super duper clean. Looks very nice, just like a normal road car. As you can see, some blacked out rims, which I do like so much. They even did a bit of detailing to the door handles, which pop out. I mean, like, you have to push once and open it like twice, I guess. Which yeah, they put a bit of effort into that. I like the window, the side window of the car. You have some side mirrors, and basically you have the headlight details, which are just incredible. I love when it comes to Mattel adding headlights to their cars and rear lights. You have a tiny Tesla logo. I'm not sure you can see it or not. Yeah, there it is. Looks pretty good from the front, not gonna lie. I want to admit that Mattel did a great job doing the front of the car. Looks so good. Interior is actually white, which represents the actual car. The actual car does come with a white interior, but it's I think it's optional whether you want white or black interior. I'm not so sure. So this is the whole panel of plastic, see-through plastic, of course. So this is supposed to be the windshield, which I don't know why it's fully transparently plastic. So this is sort of like the windshield. This is supposed to be the moonroof, I think. That's supposed to be the rear window. Okay. And yeah, the side mirror. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, the front bumper is actually a bit extended, which makes it more of like a Tesla, which is customized so that the front bumper is extended. So this is more of like a custom Tesla. I wouldn't say a Tesla with body kit. It doesn't really have a body kit much, but well, I would say it is more of like a customized Tesla, because you know why? There is a ducktail at the back, which is so obvious that this is not a stock Tesla. This is basically a modified, I think Hot Wheels modified this to become a Tesla with a ducktail for some reason. You have some rear lights at the back, which looks absolutely amazing. Tesla logo right there, and I bet it says 0 tolerance there. They like to say that when it comes to what do you call that, Tesla Hot Wheels. Hold on, let me check. Okay, they did not. Instead of, they said Giga TXS, which I think it means giga tanks, I'm not sure. Obviously no exhaust or anything, because this is an electric vehicle, more of like an electric SUV. Moving on to the base is basically black. Tesla Model Y, made in Malaysia, 2022 Mattel. So overall, absolutely fantastic casting. I'm sure when this hits stores in the US, I am sure many Tesla fans will buy it, including Tesla owners themselves. They might buy this casting for themselves. Maybe, you know, they want to keep it in their collection as because they have a real car, or maybe they want to keep it in their car as reference to their real car. Who knows? Hopefully Mattel makes more colors out of this, and well, do not make it more of like a racing car itself. No, thank you. But if they make up more colors of this, I would buy it. Like the Tesla Model 3, which had the white, blue, and red, and also like grayish black. Yeah. Hopefully they do like that for the Tesla Model Y, because it looks absolutely amazing. I love the car, love the overall looks of it. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.